Hello, everyone. So the first question I'm going to answer before I go into the platform a bit more deeply is, why have we built this now? Well, to be honest, it's been a question that we've been answering at a small scale for many, many years across the clients we work on and across the accounts we work on. Now, what we've been able to do is actually scale that up much more than before and make it commercially viable to many, many people. And the reason being just due to advancements in terms of machine learning technology, but also in terms of data processing power that we've got. So what I want to do to make it really real for you is take you through the process that we go through in order to come up with the bid recommendations. So to start with, we download 5 separate types of report across the search space. So we do keyword reports, ad group reports, campaign reports, and we also pull in search term reports from Search Console. Now, on top of this, we have to go through a data processing procedure. Now, this data processing procedure goes through and normalizes data. It will clean out any data that's poor quality. It will fill in gaps where data is missing certain aspects. And it will also go in and it will do data splitting in areas that are required to. Once this is done, we're able to do our bid volatility analysis. And what this is an understanding of how volatile a single keyword has been in the market over the last 2 years. So if competitors are pushing into the space, then the bid volatility will go up and down more. If you're changing your bids regularly, then also bid volatility will go up more as well. And what this enables us to do is understand when to start the learning module and for how long the learning module needs to run. So then it will go through bid volatility analysis and into the learning module, where it will sit between 4 and 6 weeks. From here, keyword grouping takes place, which is where we can group certain keywords together based on their characteristics. So we look at things like impressions, the impression share, the CTR, the max CPC, and the CPC. And we look at the volatility across these characteristics, and we're able to group keywords into categories where they have similar characteristics. From here, we can actually start creating models on these keywords through regression prediction. Now, we selected a model through gradient boosting on decision trees. Now, this took months and months of work of looking at many, many different types of models before deciding on this one. And the reason we decided on this one is because it was the most accurate and it was the one that produced the best results for us. All of this is done through Python, and any Optimum bid calculations that are made and stored in Google BigQuery. From here, the changes are applied to the account via the API directly. So now you know a little bit more about what's under the hood.